Mabuhay, mahal na. Welcome to Luto Express. Kung saan may masarap, luto na tayo. Kaya, tara, kain tayo.
Lugaw Paris Express was established on July 27, 3 years ago. Initially, it was a small business that started with only 5 tables. However, due to its increasing popularity, the restaurant expanded after 2 years to accommodate its growing customer base. The restaurant's success can be attributed to its delicious offerings, particularly its pares and silog dishes. Additionally, Lugaw Paris Express serves other Filipino favorites such as pancit, lomi, chop suey, Shanghai rolls, and its best-selling bagnet. The owner of Lugaw Paris Express is a proud alumna of City College of Calapan and joined Miss Oriental. After completing her studies, she ventured into entrepreneurship and established the restaurant. The restaurant's culinary team relies on a blend of spices to add flavor to their dishes. These spices include ground black pepper, soy sauce, vinegar, chili, onion, garlic, onion leeks, and fried garlic.